For those over 50, maintaining optimal health becomes increasingly important, and this is where the role of supplements and vitamins comes into play. With the proper nutrients, we can support our immune system, enhance our energy levels, and improve our cognitive function. But with so many options available, how do we know which supplements are truly beneficial? In this video, we'll explore the world of recommended supplements and vitamins explicitly tailored for individuals over 50. Navigating the supplement aisle can be overwhelming, especially with the myriad choices and claims. That's why we're here to simplify the process and provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about your health. You might wonder why supplements are so crucial after 50. As we age, our bodies may not absorb nutrients as efficiently as they once did. Additionally, certain health conditions and medications can deplete essential vitamins and minerals. This is why it's vital to consider supplementation to fill those nutritional gaps and support your body's changing needs. Throughout this video, you can expect to learn about the most effective and safe supplements for your age group. We'll cover critical vitamins like B12, D, and calcium, and discuss how they can improve overall health. We'll also touch on the importance of consulting with healthcare professionals before starting any new supplement regimen, ensuring you choose what's right for you. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your bones, or enhance your mental clarity, stay tuned as we guide you through the essentials of supplementation for a healthier, more vibrant life after 50. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Most recommended supplements and vitamins. Our nutritional needs evolve as we age, making it essential to focus on specific vitamins and supplements that can support our health. Certain nutrients are crucial in maintaining vitality and well-being for individuals over 50. Explore some of the top supplements and vitamins that can significantly impact your health. First on the list is vitamin D. This vital nutrient is essential for bone health, as it helps the body absorb calcium. With age, our skin becomes less efficient at synthesizing vitamin D from sunlight, making supplementation necessary. Adequate vitamin D levels can also support immune function and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Next up is vitamin B12, which is crucial for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. As we age, our ability to absorb B12 from food decreases, leading to potential deficiencies. Supplementing with B12 can help improve energy levels, enhance mood, and support cognitive function, making it a must-have for those over 50. Calcium is another essential nutrient that supports bone density and helps prevent osteoporosis. Maintaining solid bones becomes increasingly vital as we age, and calcium supplementation can be a critical factor in achieving that goal. Additionally, omega-3 fatty acids deserve special mention. These healthy fats are known for their heart and brain health benefits. Omega-3s can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, and support cognitive function, making them an excellent choice for older adults looking to enhance their overall health.